Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Stress and anxiety can cause your stomach to rumble without hunger. When stressed, your nervous system speeds up digestion and triggers intestinal muscle contractions. These movements create the noises we hear as stomach rumbling. This shows how closely our brain and gut are connected, with emotions directly affecting digestive activity.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.